Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka film Bollywood ka pala ay kerteng ka Destiny. Kadai ka film ka ba propo persen na kani ka film kin ring dur hapo kani ka Nongbah Shillong. Ya kani la ya thu da ginong shna ya kani ka film ha ka jing ya kendo bar ginong pathai kubor ha ka arpu pratarek mtau bunai rempang arjar kat kendai ha Hotel Assembly Shillong. U director jong kani ka film u Akash Singh u la ya thu ba ka khana jong kani ka film kadai ka pala ja shisha bat ha kani ka film da ki spangut ki samla na kani ka Nongbah kila yok bani shim mentalang. Ulai itu ru bagi samla jongan ni kejala kilong ki badon sab ban ak film nrai ki don kam ya ki nong yalam ban betin nanti ya ki bakin kieu haka kam ak film.
And I thought of expose my Shillong to outside the world, let them know how beautiful our Shillong is, and we'll try to bring more producer and give more chances to our people for work and try to take out the talents which I have in Meghalaya and Shillong, I can say, especially Shillong, to the national and international levels. Of course, in this my film, near about 136 local people are working as artists, as line producers, and in others jobs. The story of this film is based on true story. It's called a biopic. So far you have seen already, like many people make a biopic of big man, like you can say stars, cricketers, sports persons. But here I am making a story on a common man, biopic of a common man. Lots of incidents have happened in his life, but still the man is still on his leg.
This film is basically based on a true story. It's a true story, and it is based on Sir Prasanjit. So it's on his life, how I can just give you a small gist, how a person who keeps facing obstacles in life. There are every time there's a situation which pulls you down in life, but how he has managed to come up and inspired by his inspiring personality, how he's managed to tackle all the obstacles. So you'll get to know that there are big 5 treatments what we're trying to do in the film. Where it could be related to life, love, anything. So you'll enjoy the film. And yes, coming to Shillong is again a beautiful part in the film. I'm truly blessed to be here. I love the energy here, and the people are so humble and so nice. And I was shocked because people going outside and shooting film, and spending so much of money, they can come here and visit Meghalaya. There's everything here. You don't have to travel anywhere else. So it's again a plus point for us that we have got this opportunity to present ourselves. So I'm sure that you guys will enjoy the film. We're just here to take your blessings.